Cruise ships look like floating resorts. But behind those glossy hallways are rules, traps, and costs most passengers never see. Whether you're in a mega suite or a cozy inside, risk can sit right outside your door. Some mistakes drain hundreds of dollars. Others get you booted off mid-cruise. We're talking fines, fire hazards, safety violations, even lifetime bans. Today, we re-unpacking 17 cabin mistakes people keep making so you don't nuke your vacation. Stick around. Several of these are rules almost everyone breaks without realizing it. First up, a cabin trap you've probably walked past a dozen times without blinking. Mon 1. The minibar is a ripoff. That chilled water and those cute snack tins? Not harmless. Even with an unlimited drink package, minibar items usually aren't included. On some lines, a soda that's a couple bucks at the bar can be way more in the minibar, and you want to notice until the folio shows mystery charges in the $50 $100+ range. Sensor fridges can even bill you just for lifting items. Do this instead. Treat the minibar like a museum. Look, don't touch. Ask your steward to empty or lock it on day 1. Grab included drinks at the bar, bring your own snacks from shore if allowed, or use room service when it's included. If you really want something, check the price card first. Number 2. Smoking in the cabin. Fine. Plus. Ejection. One quick puff by the balcony door can end your cruise. Lines are strict. Smoking or vaping in cabins or on balconies triggers hefty fines, and you can be put off at the next port. No refund.
Detectors are sensitive, and systems track smoke and aerosols. The policy exists because one careless ember has caused real shipboard fires in the past. Do this instead. Only smoke in the designated outdoor areas during posted hours. Assume detectors will catch vaping too. When in doubt, ask guest services where it's allowed, then stick to it. 3. Don't steal towels or robes. Those plush towels and robes feel like souvenirs until you see the bill.
Many ships track inventory and will charge boutique prices for missing items. Pool towels are also tracked. If you sign them out, you're expected to return them. Do this instead. Want the robe? Buy it from the shop if it's for sale. Return beach towels to avoid fees. Personal toiletries and small amenity items are usually fine to keep. Big textiles aren't. Number 4. Don't stick anything on the walls. Tape, putty, and strong hooks can wreck specialty finishes. Peeling paint, adhesive gunk, and damaged panels. Shikers damage charges. One quick celebration banner can turn into a repaint bill. Do this instead. Cabin walls are metal. Use magnets and magnetic hooks. Keep decorations temporary and removable, or display photos on shelves, hard dressers. When in doubt, ask your steward what's allowed. Number 5. Don't wash clothes in the sink. That sink isn't a laundry tub. Foamy detergent and fabric fibers clog small marine drains, causing overflows in your room or your neighbors. Cleanup fees aren't fun. Do this instead. Use self-serve laundry if available, or the send-out special. Watch for midweek fill-the-bag deals. Pack a couple quick-dry items and a travel clothesline for the shower only. Number 6. Don't open the door and balcony at the same time. Hello, wind tunnel, goodbye, paperwork, and sometimes fingers. Opening both doors creates a pressure rush that slams doors, launches papers, and can crack latches. There are real cases of injuries and lost documents from this. Do this instead. Close one door before opening the other. Keep light items away from airflow paths and brief everyone in your cabin on this rule. For 7. Do not lean on the balcony railing. It's not a selfie platform. Railings aren't designed to hold full body weight. Ship motion, wind gusts, and a moment's distraction, especially with alcohol, can turn deadly. Do this instead. Keep furniture away from the rail, no sitting or climbing, and lock the balcony if you've got kids. Take photos from inside if seas are rough. 8. Don't leave the Do Not Disturb sign on all day. A permanent D&D can trigger a welfare check. Crew monitor cabins that can't be serviced for long periods. After extended D&D, security may enter to ensure safety, and you may get a warning. Do this instead. Flip D&D only when you need it. Use make-up room when you go out, or ask for towel drop-offs if you prefer minimal service. Number 9. Do not use candles or incense. Open flames are a hard no at sea. Ship detectors are ultra-sensitive. Even a tiny candle or incense can set off alarms, lead to fines, and potentially disembarkation, especially at night. Do this instead. Use battery candles. If your line permits, consider non-heated fragrance options. When unsure, ask guest services first. 10. Only toilet paper. In the toilet, marine vacuums aren't like home plumbing. One flushable wipe can block a whole vacuum loop. Repairs at sea are slow and expensive, and yes, backups happen. Do this instead. Everything except toilet paper goes in the trash. For discreet items, use provided bags or ask for a special container. If you accidentally flush something, tell your steward immediately. 11. Don't bring dangerous irons or extension cords, fire risk, confiscation and possible fines. Traditional irons and surge-protected power strips are typically banned. Cheap cords overheat and short out. Irons are a known cabin hazard. Do this instead. Steam out wrinkles in the bathroom during a hot shower, use wrinkle release spray, or find the ironing room if your ship has one. For power, bring a non-surge multi-USB cube that's explicitly allowed by your cruise line. 12. Don't share your location on social media. Real-time posts can invite real-world problems. Public tags reveal your itinerary when your room's empty, even your cabin number by accident. Reflections, wristbands, app screenshots. Do this instead. Turn off location tagging while traveling. Don't post boarding passes or cabin numbers. Share reels after you leave a location or after the cruise. 13. Don't underestimate the cabin crew. Your steward is your MVP. They notice safety issues, fix problems fast, and can escalate requests. Treat them poorly and you'll get policy. Treat them well and you'll get magic. Do this instead. Learn names, say thanks, tip thoughtfully, and communicate early. Extra pillows, feather-free bedding, crib, empty minibar, ice. Clear, kind requests get results. 14. Don't leave children alone in the cabin. This is where small risks become big emergencies. Unattended kids, plus balconies, outlets, minibar sensors, and door locks. A security magnet. Many lines prohibit leaving young kids alone entirely. Do this instead. Use kids' clubs, book babysitting if offered, or tag team with another adult. Lock balcony doors, set expectations, and teach kids to use the cabin phone for help. 15. Don't trust the safe 100%. It's convenience, not a vault. Many cabin safes are small, generic, and meant for quick storage, not crown jewels. Jams happen. Openings require crew assistance and time. Do this instead. Keep passports and a spare card inside, but avoid high-value jewelry or large cash. Consider front desk main safe services for ultra-valuable items and store digital photos of documents securely on your phone. 16. Don't overdo alcohol in your room. Most late-night medical calls? Alcohol. Overpouring in cabin plus slippery floors and balconies, cark injuries, medical bills, and sometimes policy violations if you're drinking what the line doesn't allow. Do this instead. Know your limits, hydrate, eat, and keep the party inside, not on the balcony. If your line allows limited bottles, treat it like a tasting, not a mission. 17. Don't ignore the safety drill. It's the one activity required by law. Skipping muster slows real responses. In emergencies, seconds matter. People who miss the drill don't know routes, stations, or procedures. Do this instead. Complete e-muster before sail away and check in at your station on time. Memorize your route from the cabin, know where your life jacket is stored, and pay attention even if you've cruised before. From the minibar to muster, each small choice protects your money, your trip, and everyone on board. Tell me in the comments which rule surprised you most. Subscribe for more cruise secrets lines don't advertise. And remember, better safe than stuck in a lifeboat.